Seaside coastal condo. Light and bright. 2. 2 with views overlooking the street. Lucy River from your balcony and master suite. Great floor plan has neutral cabinetry and granite. Marble floors. Full-size washer and dryer in unit. State-of-the-art fitness center overlooking wide river. 2 pools, poolside grill, private yacht club restaurant plus tight house, parking under building. Walk to historic downtown named happiest seaside town by coastal living. One-time $10,000. Yacht club non-equity membership, investors. 30-day rentals allowed, HOA approval required. Dockage available in this full-service marina. Call for rates, just minutes to inlet and beautiful beaches, perfect move-in condition, call for details.